Nicholas, you mentioned some of your clients are already in the automotive industry. And as we know, especially the German automotive industry has a big barrier to entry. It's very, very difficult to get in. Once you're in, you have a long lifespan of your business, but it's very, very hard to get in. What kind of hurdle are your clients facing and how are they overcoming it?
Yeah, I mean, I think I slightly addressed this before. I mean, for the startups, they need to make some kind of pilot projects, together with the OEMs to demonstrate the technology, and this is usually very difficult for the startups. And I mean, they have to talk to a lot of employees, and as I said, the decisions often take some time, and it's just a very lengthy process. And big companies like BMW or so with the startup garage, they are already working on this. But I think smaller Mittelstands companies or so, there are at least several out there that haven't done this yet. And I think they should open up and really embrace startups, because I think this really could be a huge effect for the whole automotive industries. If startups have an idea, they have a prototype, and they find someone out of the automotive industry to just take the product and the idea forward.
I totally agree with you. The way I see the parallel to this automotive industry, if we look at last 20 years, we have seen unprecedented changes, especially in IT or mobile communication, in that part of in the internet domain. Compared to that, we haven't seen much of a change in automotive technology compared to internet.
Yes and no. I think it's of course due to the fact that, I mean, most of the time the cars are just running with combustion engines, petrol or diesel. It's like physical hardware. So of course, the design change, things like acceleration improve, braking, stability thing. But for, I think, the typical consumer, these changes are like slow changes.
Absolutely slow changes.
Like,
it's not comparable to the internet change.
Yeah. But I think still, if you look at the automotive industry, these changes are huge.
Right. These changes for automotive industry are huge.
And
however, my bet is that the next 10 years is going to be different.
Exactly.
We will see massive changes in automotive industry due to two things: softwareization of cars, and probably what you have mentioned, that hardware being the new software. These two things will be the game changer